because I didn't get the ones early. I didn't get the ones before.
I was gonna say, because you didn't have to turn them on. Why'd you turn them on?
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh
Does that one always go on first?
Thunderstorm warning for eastern Carroll County and east central Ohio.
I think it makes the alert first, yeah. Like, yeah, this one makes the alert first, and then the other one. And then the other ones go off. Look at the sheets are like way off.
It just gave you a warning for West Virginia.
Yeah. It was like eastern Ohio and parts of Pennsylvania.
Eastern Ohio and parts of Pennsylvania.
Yeah. Yeah, I know. It's weird. Dang. $50. Did you hear how big that hail is? Size of $50. Normally it's like quarter size. Yeah, normally it's like quarter size hail. Yeah.
412-262-1988. Posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page or using Twitter.
Yeah, I've heard that too.
Repeating. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:50.
I mean, I don't exactly remember.
I went to my grandma's house and their neighbors saved pizza in the fridge, in the freezer, and it was like this big.
Really? Wow.
There's all the cars were dented.
Urgent weather message.